In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to add clickable links on your documents in Canva. These may be PDF documents. So as you can see here on the screen, I have a PDF document. And what I'm going to do here is, let's say I wanted to add a link to one of these things here. Let's say I want to add a link to the key information here. So what I would do is I would select the information like that. And once you select the information, you are going to see this little link button here that you can click on. There's a drop down here for more, but you want to click on this link here. You can also find this on the bottom of this menu here where it says link. So once you hit a link on here, you're going to go ahead and type in the link that you want to redirect to your people that are going to be clicking this link to. So let's say do something very simple here, right? We're going to do Facebook, right, like that, and you want to go ahead and hit enter on the keyboard. Now this is going to be highlighted to show that this is a link. Okay, now if you want to edit this link, you can click on this, hit link. You're going to see the link that you already have here, right? As you can see here, you also have the option to copy that link. For some reason, if you have a really long link, this is what you can do to copy it. And you can also delete this link here. This is just going to remove the entire link. Right now, if I'm going to click on this link, you can see it takes me to Facebook over here on this other page. Okay, now that is pretty much it for this lesson. I'll see you guys on the next one.